Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix download speeds on Epic Games Launcher. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games Launcher on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your social accounts. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the store homepage. Now you can download or purchase any game if you wish to install it on your device. And once the verification is completed, you will be able to find it on your library. Click on the library option, and if the game is ready to be installed, you will see the install button. Just click on this game and you can proceed forward with the installation. Just tap on the install button after choosing your directory and then accept the terms and conditions. Now if you notice that the download speed is very slow, then there are a few ways to get around this issue. The first thing to check is to make sure that the internet network that you are connected with has a high enough speed so that you can download the game without any issues. If you are connected to a stable network but the download is still very slow, another trick that you can try is to click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. You will now see an option which says Throttle Downloads. When you click on this option, you will be able to set a throttling value. Make sure you input the highest speed that is available and multiply that by at least 1000 if you're referring to Mbps. After entering this value, you can go back to the download and see if this fixes your issue. If not, then you can try exiting the application from the notifications bar. Click on the notification panel at the bottom right corner and you will see Epic Games Launcher. Right click on this and tap on Exit, and after exiting the app, open it up once again and try to start your installation or download. If the problem still persists, then you will need to uninstall the Epic Games Launcher app as well. Proceed with uninstalling the Epic Games Launcher app by searching for Epic Games on your Windows search bar, and you will see the uninstall button. Click on this and proceed with the steps following, and once it is uninstalled, you can once again download it and reinstall it. This will now install the latest version of Epic Games Launcher on your device, and now your slow download issues should all be fixed. And there you have it. That is how you can fix the slow download issues on your Epic Games Launcher app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.